how to log into your crypto.com account step by step. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply make sure that crypto.com is installed on your phone. Then you can simply open your crypto.com, right? So after opening your crypto.com here, make sure that you remember all of the credentials of your account. So after making sure that, you can simply tap on sign in right here, and then in here, if you want crypto to access all of your activity, you can allow that, or else you cannot allow that too. So in here, if you have connected your account, or if you have signed up your account using any of those platforms, you can tap on them and then go along with the process of how you'll be able to log in, right? Or if you have created your account manually, then you can simply add in your email address, or you can also like sign in with your phone number, tap on phone number, and then you can add in the phone number, then tap on login. So after tapping on login, there will actually be the requirement of adding down the password of your account. Simply do that, and then you can tap on login, and just like that, you'll be able to successfully log into your crypto.com account. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below, and that will be it for this video.